Hello, and I have finished maybe just a part of the autocomplete functions, and we can check this uh, result in the this is the at the circle to, of people to share with, and when we click it, and it will show us the list pop up that will show all of the groups, and maybe we can call it the circles, and similar to the Google Plus. And so after that, when we focus on the text box, and we can type friend name manually, and then it will show the autocomplete list with all of the friends that matches the typed characters. Okay, and the friend, of course, the friend list come from the server side, and we maybe use Ajax for it. Okay, so we can check it and click the button. You can see that it will show the current groups and the private, friends, church, or friend church, public, and any others. And when we click any of the lists, for example, for the private, you can see that it will add the private to this box, and we can add more, right? And when we uncheck the list item, you can see that it will remove it. Okay, and also we can type friend names, and we can by when the cursor focus, we can type name for, and just as you said in the list, it will show the friend icon and their name. Okay, so when we type, for example, type S, you can see that it will um, hide the group list and just show the results that we match our search. And you can see that there's some two SA, SB. We can click SA. You can see that it will add the SA, and we can add more by click it, or we can also add the group or SB. Okay, and we can also remove it. For example, for the private, we can remove it directly from the delete icon with friends. Okay, with the church. Okay, so basically the functions are already okay. Just of course there's something that we need to I need to update again, and go to the code that for the share and friend, and we use the autocomplete and get it using Ajax from the server side, the PHP side functions, and also there because I just use open source autocomplete, but I found it there are many current functions that cannot match our requirements, so I change it the source code. Uh, of course, I know this is not a good way to do that, but that it can the control can the plugin cannot match our requirements. We just can do things like that. Maybe if I have time, we can do our own plugin, jQuery plugin for our own requirements. That is also okay. Okay, so just this video just show you the basic function that I have done, and there are also some functions that I need to do continue to do. Okay, thank you.